drink too much, I'm just trying to cope. It ain't no secret about the perks, but I ain't doing coke.
Hey y'all, so today I want to show you guys how I clean wigs so that I can reuse them for another time. So, you know, like at times, you see how they have like all the glue and the adhesive and things from the like the got to be and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all situated and show you guys how you guys can clean them so that you can reuse them, to reinstall them, so that you don't have to keep applying them and, you know, get your head infected. What I'm going to use to clean this is I have a sponge from the dollar store and I have a spray bottle with some water. Spray it. Get it down, get it sprayed down really good. Now I'm going to take my shampoo and I'm going to line it on the edge, and I'm just going to massage it in to break this up. Start to build that up. Let's massage the shampoo in. So now I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to spray it. It don't matter what side of the brush you use. I'm just going to make it sure that it works through. So now I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to rub it. I don't be too hard. Just be a little gentle. Just rub it. So okay, you guys, so right here, as you guys can see, I am going with my brush. I'm not going hard. I'm just being as gentle as possible. It's just the way that the editing is taking place. So what you want to do is just take your time and scrub it, but don't be hard. Take your time and use both sides if you have to. So as you guys are going to see here, I'm going to flip the wig over. And I'm going to go ahead and put that shampoo around the hairline. And when I do this step here, I'm not using the brush. I'm just rubbing it in, and so I can get all that buildup and all that extra product out of this hair. And once I'm done with that, we're going to go ahead and rinse the shampoo. Okay, you guys, so right here we're just going to go ahead and rinse that shampoo off the edge of the frontal or your wig or whatever you have. And once we get all that shampoo out, we're going to go ahead and go in with some conditioner. Why I like to keep I don't like to use shampoo really on my wigs, especially if they're curly, because I like to keep the moisture. And too much shampoo strips your hair, so basically that's just my preference. You can do whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and